Hey guys, it's Adam here bringing you guys another install video, and today we're going to be focusing on the Manticore arms folding charging handle for the IWI X95. As many of you know, I've been a huge proponent in asking for a folding charging handle for many reasons, and finally Manticore arms went ahead and answered that call that I had. So here is the folding charging handle that's fully folded out, fully folded down. Now, huge perk to this, first off, giant purchase area right here. So you have a huge amount of area that you can really get a good grip on. Two, one of the ones that I like the most is that when I pull this back and I release, it folds on its own. So I'm not charging, then folding. I'm just charging, letting go. And because it's non-reciprocating, this is not going to be constantly coming back and forth. It's just going to be folded and done and out of the way. And you're ready to go the rest of the time. Fold it out. There is a little bit of a snap you guys can hear into there. It's not just going to fold down, just because you're moving the gun around, but with enough force, it does fold forward, and it easily folds out or forward as you need to. So far, I really like it. I'm going to put it through its paces tomorrow with a class with IWI. Hopefully, we'll have some good reviews coming out of that. All right, let's go ahead and get into the install video. It takes just a couple seconds. You just need a couple tools, and you'll be ready to go with your new Manticore Arms folding charging handle. Let's dive on in, guys. Alright, let's go ahead and get into installing the Manticore Arms foldable charging handle for the X95. I've already kind of pre-disassembled the X95 as far as we need to go, including taking off my Strike Industries King Comp, and it's just going to make it a whole easier process. What you do need is a number 3 metric Allen key and a Phillips screwdriver. Phillips screwdriver will be used for this bolt right here. It comes right out. Handle physically comes off the gun. Then what we do is we use our number 3 Allen key to take out this bolt right here. This comes out. Now, as mentioned, I've already taken off my brake or muzzle flash or muzzle hider, whatever you're using, flash hider. So you're gonna need 2 crescent wrenches. If you don't have them, you'll take it off. Most of them, if it's stock, will have your bolt and also your comp or your flash hider. Once this bolt's removed, the entire fore end comes off the gun, like so. Now, the charging handle in here is attached just by a little clip. We just pull that back, comes off. Go ahead and put that down, your fore end. Bring the gun back up, and you're gonna put your Manticore Arms charging handle in on the side that, if it's left or right-handed gun. And it does not clip in like that one. Instead, you feed it through, find that place that it goes, and then let's go ahead and put the fore end back on. Alright, now let's go ahead and put our bolt back through. Now I would advise probably putting a little bit of Loctite on this bolt. Just some blue Loctite, nothing crazy. Just make sure it's tight. I've never had that one walk out, but I'm usually more cautious than not. Alright, next thing we're going to do is we are going to put our handle back on. Let's go ahead and put that guy in place. Take that bolt, put the bolt back in, and use your Phillips head. Go ahead and make sure that's nice and tight. Alright, now if you're like me and you've already taken off your muzzle brake, go ahead and put your nut back on there. And usually what I do, you can use whatever you want. I use cleanse oil. I take a little bit and I just kind of work it around those threads just to clean them up, clean that crown up a little bit. As you guys know, I don't clean my guns very often and they get dirty. And then go ahead and put your device back on. If you guys haven't tried the Strike Industries King Comp, I'd give it a try. I'm hoping to get one for the 9mm because I really like the 223 version. I've now got one on the 7.62x39 Galil as well. And then I usually feed these on as far as they will go. And then get it lined up where you want. I tighten that washer just enough. And then let's go ahead and go to town with our wrenches here. And what I do, guys, I actually use the one wrench to hold the brake, and then I use the other wrench just to tighten the washer, because I've got the brake where I want it. I just want it a little bit tight. I want it really tight. All right, let's go ahead and try it. And so, most of you guys that see my videos, I run these hand guards out quite a bit. And what I noticed when I was just messing around with the, sorry guys, this one's a little bit tougher to push out. What I noticed that charging handle is, it rides on one of these a little bit, because these come up a little bit. It still rides about the same, but it folds pretty nice and flat. So, there's that. Now you're probably going to notice that is significantly larger than the stock one. Now the stock one stays out all the time, it's not folding. It latches in place. So with this one, there's definitely more area to pull back on, and I like that. I'm getting a full, like, 2 fingers in there instead of just one and yanking it back. But I'm also going to be able to charge it, you know, if I really need to mortar the gun or something. So there it is. There's the Manticore Arms folding charging handle for the IWI X95. Hopefully you guys will get one, head over there, and I believe We Like Shooting still has a discount code for Manticore Arms. Might be a good place to check it out at. Alright guys, see you next time.